Every garden deserves a touch of drama, and the Dahlia Pinnata Dwarf double opera brings just that, with its stunning double blooms that turn every yard into a living masterpiece. The Dahlia Pinnata Dwarf double opera, known for its compact growth and dazzling layers of petals, is one of the most rewarding flowers to grow for any gardener across the USA. Its charm lies in its unique blend of vibrant colors, resilience, and long-lasting blooms that grace your garden from summer through fall. Beginners adore it for its forgiving nature, while seasoned gardeners appreciate its unmatched beauty. If you've been dreaming of a flower that can make your outdoor space look like a professionally designed landscape, this variety of dahlia is your ultimate pick. To start your journey with this flower, first understand that the Dahlia Pinnata Dwarf double opera loves sunlight. Choose a sunny spot in your garden that gets at least 6 hours of direct light daily. In states like California, Texas, or Florida, you can enjoy a longer bloom season. But even in northern areas, these flowers perform remarkably well when planted after the last frost. The soil should be rich, well-draining, and slightly acidic. A blend of garden loam, compost, and a bit of sand ensures perfect aeration for tuber growth. Before planting, loosen the soil to about 12 inches deep and mix in organic compost to enhance fertility. Dahlia tubers should be planted about 6 inches apart for dwarf varieties, with the eye facing upward and covered lightly with soil. You water gently after planting to moisten the ground, but avoid overwatering, which can cause tuber rot. Once sprouted, water regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but never soggy. For beginners, fertilizing dahlias might sound complicated, but it's actually simple. Use a balanced fertilizers 10-10-10 or 5-10-200 every 3 to 4 weeks during the growing season. You avoid too much nitrogen. It can lead to lush foliage with fewer flowers. Instead, focus on phosphorus and potassium to enhance flowering and strengthen stems. Mulching around the plants helps retain moisture and control weeds. When your dwarf double opera begins to grow, pinch back the top leaves when the plant reaches 10 inches tall. This encourages bushier growth and more blooms. Regular deadheading, removing spent flowers, also promotes continuous flowering throughout the season. The more you cut, the more the plant rewards you. This makes it a fantastic choice for cut flower arrangements, brightening up both gardens and homes. The Dahlia Pinnata Dwarf double opera comes in a range of captivating colors, from deep reds and pinks to cheerful yellows and whites. Their compact size makes them perfect for borders, containers, or small garden beds, adding a bold yet refined touch to any landscape design. Even if you're limited to a balcony or patio, they thrive beautifully in pots with proper care. Use a well-draining potting mix and ensure your container has adequate drainage holes. One of the keys to maintaining healthy dahlias is pest control. Keep an eye out for aphids, slugs, and spider mites. A gentle spray of insecticidal soap or neem oil keeps pests at bay without harming beneficial insects. Good airflow and clean foliage further reduce the risk of fungal diseases like powdery mildew. As the growing season ends and cooler temperatures arrive, you'll need to prepare your dahlia tubers for overwintering. In warmer zones, They can stay in the ground with a thick layer of mulch. In colder areas, zones 3 to 7, lift the tubers after the first frost, gently clean them, and store them in a cool, dry place until spring. Properly stored tubers can last for years, giving you the joy of replanting your favorite blooms season after season. Dahlias love attention, but they reward it tenfold. Their performance depends on a consistent care routine, watering, feeding, and pruning regularly. Once you get into the rhythm, they'll deliver waves of breathtaking blooms that draw butterflies and pollinators, adding life and vibrancy to your outdoor space. For those creating a colorful display, combine Dahlia Pinnata Dwarf double opera with companion plants like zinnias, marigolds, or salvias. These combinations not only enhance visual beauty, but also support beneficial insects, improving overall garden health. With their compact height, these dahlias also work wonderfully as front borders in mixed flower beds. In the USA, where diverse climates meet, the Dahlia Pinnata Dwarf double opera adapts gracefully from humid southern gardens to temperate coastal zones. This versatility makes it a favorite among home gardeners looking for minimal effort with maximum reward. Their ability to bloom continuously from mid-summer to late fall ensures your garden remains vibrant long after other flowers fade. If you're a first-time gardener, growing this dahlia will give you confidence. Its forgiving nature and fast growth make it perfect for learning the essentials of plant care. Every step, from planting to flowering, teaches patience, attention, and the joy of nurturing something beautiful. The beauty of the dwarf double opera is more than just visual. It's emotional. Watching your first bloom unfold feels like a personal victory, a symbol of dedication and care. And as each flower opens, it turns your garden into a colorful symphony that never fails to impress. The best part, dahlias also make exceptional cut flowers. Their strong stems and full blossoms look exquisite in vases, lasting for days indoors. If you're looking to sell homegrown bouquets at local markets, this variety offers commercial potential due to its eye-catching form and vibrant hues. For a thriving dahlia display, stay consistent. Don't skip watering during hot spells, and protect plants from strong winds that could snap stems. With regular attention, your garden will transform into a dahlia paradise, bursting with color, fragrance, and joy. The Dahlia Pinnata Dwarf double opera isn't just a flower, it's a statement of grace, strength, and artistic beauty. Once planted, it becomes the heart of your garden. You are drawing admiration from neighbors and pollinators alike. If you're ready to add a masterpiece to your garden, start planting Dahlia Pinnata Dwarf double opera today. With patience, care, and love, your garden will soon be the envy of the neighborhood, bursting with color, texture, and life. Don't wait. Let the magic of dahlia redefine your gardening experience now!